Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nkonye and I'm also known as NdiNaija. Ja. You guys, April, this is my April OhSoPaper subscription package. Happy April, y'all. Well, it's the least I can say for now. I'm gonna open this and be right back. Okay, now this is what is inside the package. This is the postcard, and it's showing National Poetry Month. And we have these three lovely girls. Ooh, I love her hair. And locks. So this is showing National Poetry Month, and this is the magnet that usually comes in the box. I love it. I have all of the magnets because these started this year, I believe. I have them all on my fridge. It looks so nice, so nice. Let's do the coloring book. And the coloring book shows National Self-Care Month. April is National Self-Care Month. So, yeah, that's what we have for that. These are, nap. These are the girls. And this is a lovely, thick, just off-white paper. So it's not a bright white paper. Sleep all day. Nap. Pajamas. Oh, and a translucent robe. I like this. Excuse me, y'all. Allergies. Another translucent robe. Jammies. Oh, a short set with cacti. Oh, something straight over there. I love this. I love that she shows the like outline of things. Like you see the outline of the boobs there. It'll help you in your shading and color gradation. Same thing with the eye mask. That's good. That's good. When you're doing your coloring. Let me sleep. I love it. And this is the same girl in front. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is just gorgeous. Late? No, I reject that. And that's the end of the book. You can probably use this back page to draw something for yourself. And this is the OhSoPaper background. I love this. I need this in washi and everything and all the things. And then, apart from your coloring book, postcard, and magnet, you get a set of the new stickers and the sticker of the month. So these are the stickers. This is the sticker of the month, which follows the magnet and the postcard, and you have these stickers. So you have a set of 10 of the new mini nieces. We have Serenity, Roxy, Gabrielle. Oh, Gabrielle, that's me, yo. I love this. Nap, Eva, Reagan, Aisha with the Let Me Sleep, Gina, Haley, and Trisha. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Love it. So what do you guys think? That's it, yo. Hope you enjoyed my April OhSoPaper subscription box, and hope to see you return soon so you can see how I use these. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.